everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life. And today I'm really excited to share with you my Grove Collaborative order that I recently received in the mail. It is the fall items and I'm really excited because these items smell amazing. And I love just getting new cleaning supplies every season with the new scents, and it just gets you motivated, I feel like, to keep a cleaner house and keep everything nice and clean. And the good thing about Grove Collaborative is they are all natural cleaning products, so you don't have to worry about them having harsh chemicals or anything like that, especially if you have kids and pets and just for yourself in general. So I really do enjoy everything that I've gotten from Grove Collaborative, and I just wanted to share with you. So I have a couple items that are not for the fall. They're not fall themed or fall scented. They're just normal items that they have every day. And then I wanted to share with you the two fall sets that I did end up getting. So first up, I have this Method Heavy Duty Degreaser Spray. It says it powers through grease, burnt on messes, and splatters. So here's what the bottle looks like. So I've never tried this one before, but I have heard really good reviews on it. And I just thought, you know, I have 3 kids, stuff gets spilled, my girls love bacon, so I feel like we just get stuff everywhere, and I felt like I needed a heavier duty cleaning solution every once in a while. Not every day, but every once in a while I felt that I needed something that worked a little bit harder for me on my countertops and my stovetop, so I'm really interested to try this out. Another new item to me is this 7th generation wood cleaner. So I don't have real hardwood floors or anything like that. We do have a wood kitchen table, and then our kitchen table has a bench around it, so that is wood as well. And then just other furniture throughout our house, like our fireplace and things like that. I was looking for a wood cleaner for those specifically, and so I thought I would try this one out. I have tried the Method wood cleaner, and I do like that one, but I wanted to try the 7th generation one as well. Okay, so the part that I'm really excited about is the new fall scents. So I believe there's 3 different scents that Grove came out with, and they're all with the Mrs. Meyer's brand. So there is apple cider, pumpkin, and then I believe there's a mum scent. So I did get the apple cider and the pumpkin. I haven't gotten the mum yet, but I heard it does smell really good. So the first set I'm going to share with you is the apple cider. So I got this in the hand soap here, and also the dish soap. And the multi-surface spray. And again, these are all the Mrs. Meyer's brand. I will link everything down below. And the set that I got with this one actually came with a candle as well. So here's just what the front of the package looks like. And then I will take it out here. So here's what the candle itself looks like. Very simple, nothing crazy or crazy designs on it. It's just a soy candle, but it's that apple cider scent, and it smells perfect. This is going to be perfect for fall. So just your normal soy candle, but it is the apple cider scent. Okay, so the next fall scent set that I ended up getting is the pumpkin set. So this is the hand soap. This is the dish soap. And then I got the multi-surface spray. And then this set is a little bit different. It still came with a candle, but this one came with a Grove candle, not a Mrs. Meyer's. It's still a soy candle, but this one is maple and nutmeg. So I'm not sure what this one's going to smell like. Whenever I think of maple, I think it's going to smell like maple syrup. So we'll see. So it doesn't really smell like maple syrup to me. It smells like breakfast. I feel like it kind of smells like a cinnamon roll almost, but it doesn't say it has cinnamon in it. It must be the nutmeg that is smelling like that, but it smells really good. I think I'll put this in my kitchen, maybe on the table in the kitchen or on the stove or just on the counter. But this, I think, will be perfect for fall, like on a Saturday or Sunday morning when we hopefully get to sleep in. I don't know about you, but I have 3 kids and they don't like to sleep in. So I'm waiting for the day that my kids will sleep in. But the last thing in that pumpkin set is this marigold yellow kitchen towel. So this is from the Grove brand itself. And I have a few other ones of these towels. I think I have blue and maybe gray, I think. But they're a really good size. So this is how big they are. They're a good size. They have this little thing here that you can hang it on. But they're very soft. They're heavy. They're not lightweight at all, but they're also not extremely heavy, if that makes sense. But I really like the orange on here, or marigold yellow. It's pretty much like a mustard yellow, if you can see up close there. But I really do like these. So that is everything that I got in my fall Grove Collaborative order. I will link everything down below, as well as have my link that if you do decide to purchase anything, you do get a free gift along with that. Whether you're a new or existing customer, I believe you get a gift if you use my link to order, so I would greatly appreciate that. So like I said, I'll leave everything down below if you're interested. And if you like this type of video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the support. And if you have any other video ideas, definitely comment below with those ideas and I'll add them to my list. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy doing these types of videos, so I will continue to do those. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!